Up until now, we have been building capabilities, prompt templates, memory, RAG, tools. All of that answers one question: how does an AI system respond? Today's lecture answers a different question: how does an AI system decide what to do next? This is the lecture where most tutorials go wrong. So, today we are slowing down and fixing that. If you search for AI agents, you will see a lot of demos: autonomous, self improving, magical. But most of the systems are fragile, expensive, and hard to reason about. The problem isn't the model, the problem is people confusing execution frameworks with decision making. Now, let's talk about chains. A chain assumes three things: the next step is known, the flow is linear, the system does not need to stop and reassess. That works for Q&A, summarization, RAG pipelines. But it breaks when the input is ambiguous, multiple actions are possible, or system needs to decide whether to act at all or not. Chains don't fail loudly, they fail silently. In last lecture we introduced tools. Tools are powerful, but tools answer only one question: how do I execute an action? They do not answer when should I act, which tool should I choose, should I stop, should I ask for clarifications. Tools are the execution. Decision making is still missing. Forget frameworks for a moment. Every real decision making systems follow this loop. Observe. What do I know right now? Think. What does this situation require? Decide. What is the next best action? Act. Execute that action. Reflect. Did it help? Then stop or continue. This loop is the agent, not LangChain, not LangGraph, not any library. If your system does not explicitly control this loop, you don't have an agent. You have chain with retries. Now let's kill some myths. Agents are not autonomous beings, always on systems, smart by default. Agents are controlled decision loops bounded by rules designed to fail safely. A good agent knows when to stop, a bad agent keeps going confidently. Now, most people don't talk about how agents fail. So let's do that. Common failure modes: infinite loops, tools, hallucination, overconfidence, cost explosion, silent incorrect actions. These don't show up in demos, they show up in production. Now, you might be wondering, why aren't we coding this? Because if you don't understand what you are building, code will only hide the problem. Frameworks change, decision logics does not. In the next lecture, we will build one bounded decision making system, not a toy agent, not an autonomous demo, a system which will be aware of its limits. It will use tools intentionally, stops when it should. That's where everything we have learned come together. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.